This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Jackie Lumpkin. Come see this comfy, cozy, turnkey mountain cabin. Bring your toothbrush and move in. Enjoy the views from the decks and privacy from the end of the road. Main level has open floor plan with kitchen, dining area and great room and fireplace. Guest bedroom and bath are down the hall. Upstairs is the master with bath and a private deck. Game room downstairs with twin beds and bath, foosball and pool table, perfect for fun times. Cabin is convenient to all the amenities Blue Ridge and Ellijay have to offer: shopping, train riding, dining, etc. For more information, review the details below or contact Jackie Lumpkin at 706-455-1830.